Model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 333L1H1 110 Ideal Donor, Re Shell Spares Repairs, 67K. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 67,000. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: timing belt has slipped. Engine will turn over but timing has jumped and there is a popping sound. AQ kit is missing and various other bits and bobs. This is an ideal project or a donor vehicle. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is below average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features: 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows, sat nav. EU status: Euro 6.